I'm going to now show you how to play with layers and add color and some styles to your site, because right now it's pretty plain. So first thing I think I'll do, I'll go in and just create a brand new layer. If I click on this icon, and I'm just going to name that header, and then I'm going to grab the rectangular selection tool and then just click, hold, and drag just that top area. And it's nice to have those rulers set up because it snaps right to them. And then I'll go ahead and just add a color. So I'm just going to double click on this color down here and maybe just choose one of these green colors, and then the paint bucket. If you don't see it, it's probably hiding underneath the gradient tool. So click and hold and grab that. Just mouse click. That'll put that in there, and then deselect those marching ants, and then I just got to bring that layer down below my header so I can actually see it. I'll do the same thing for the buttons. I'll go ahead and just click, hold, and drag that area. And let's make another layer for that too. I'll just name this layer buttons. And maybe instead of just doing a solid color, maybe I'll try that gradient tool out. And to change your gradients, whatever two colors you have in here, that's kind of how this first defaulted one works out. And then you can click, hold, and drag on there. So maybe I want one that's gray and white on there. And then if I want it straight up and down, you need to hold down the shift key and then drag in the correct angle. So click, hold, and drag. The longer you drag it out, the more it kind of makes that gradient. So I'll just kind of bring that in there, and that should work for those buttons. And then last, if you want to do some other things with layer styles, adding a little effect, is over here you can either double click on that layer to the side, or you can go into layer and go to layer styles and just choose a category, and then it'll open up this box. And what I like to do is I like to just kind of click on them, and if you click on the actual word, so if I go here, maybe I want an outer glow, if I click on the word, this will change. So maybe I want a yellow glow. Bring that size down a little bit because I don't want it to be that harsh. Maybe I'll pop in a bevel. You can put in an overlay or even a gradient in there too. And once again, you can come in here and change that up if you have some preset ones, or you can double click on that piece, and then if you click in here, you can add more colors. Say I want to put a yellow in there, or let's do green maybe, and click OK. So you can click on that. It's just a quick little easy way to add a little effect to it. So same thing on this one, just double click on it this time. And maybe all I want to do on this one is just add a quick little drop shadow, and maybe I'll do a color overlay of some type of green. So that's a quick and easy way to kind of get some colors going on your site.